National Institute of Fashion Technology, a name that reflects the most reputed and contemporary training in the fashion business of India. With over 15 centers across India and an array of courses to choose from, NIFT has set the highest academic standards and is the breeding ground to nurture the talent of youth and equip them with creative vigor and professional competency.
Before coming to NIFT, for me fashion was what it is to a lot of people. Glamour and celebrities and fashion shows. But coming inside and understanding the courses that are on offer in NIFT, you see that it's also about design, about creativity, it's about social entrepreneurship, it's about marketing, it's about management. And so the technical dimension of the courses that are on offer at NIFT are something which are seen to be believed.
The All India Entrance Examination for NIFT admissions has been designed to evaluate the aptitude which is required for NIFT courses. So if you have it, you're here. But the challenge begins once when you're admitted, because NIFT demands a lot of hard work, dedication and passion in abundance. At the end, you are not only industry ready, but you are ready to take a plunge as a confident NIFTian, ready to fly.
Over 3 decades of its existence, NIFT has emerged as a premier institute in the field of fashion, design, management and technology in the country. What sets it apart is its assets, which are professionally trained and academically acclaimed faculty and the state-of-the-art infrastructure. We have a pan-India presence, and that helps that we are able to tap into students from various parts of the country. And when they come to NIFT, we have a transaction model of a 360-degree connect, wherein the students are professionally trained for the industry and what the industry needs. But we also train them in other skills like making them sensitive, soft skills like motivation, team building, and being absolutely confident to join the industry, which has evolved.
I think it's a perfect experience in terms of balance of practical learning as well as classroom learning in terms of theory. We go for outbound workshops, then we go for photo walks to Surajkund Mela as well as Dastakar Craft Mela. We have a lot of industry interaction. All in all, it's a great learning experience.
NIFT Life is rather more exciting than... it's the most exposure you can get staying in India. It allows you to think out of the box, question things that you've never questioned before. That's what the creative process is all about.
Look, what I remember from our days at NIFT was that there used to be a party every second day, anyway, regardless of the workload. I don't think at any point of time either NIFT, its faculty, or anyone else for that matter in the system gave us a feeling that it was only about work.
Well, of course, NIFT does play a very important role in my career, because it made me decide my career, which is the most important part. And by the time I finished NIFT, I would say I was pretty good at my job, and I was, thanks to NIFT, is what I am today. Without that, I don't think it would have been possible.
NIFT answers every student's dream for a pathway or an entry point to the fashion industry. Every student who comes here achieves something or the other in terms of career, in terms of dreams being fulfilled, or in terms of becoming a better human being.
With each batch of industry-ready professionals ready to take new challenges, NIFT takes new strides in chiseling raw talent and molding futures for young creative minds for an ever-growing and globally expanding fashion industry.
A NIFTian is not just a face in the crowd, but an individual who's ready to take on the world.
A dreamer, an achiever, and an artist at heart.
One who finds faith in hard work, beauty in art,
and passion in bringing it to the masses.
Somebody who not just understands fashion,
but redefines it with every passing moment.
Fashion is not what you see.
It's what we create.